morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at home and are doing regular studies. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter number 1. Chapter 1 is the computer software. We have studied this chapter. Now it's time to do the exercise, and this exercise you will do in your fair notebook. Okay, so let's start it. The first question is tick the correct option. Okay, and the first one is it is not a type of system software. So the answer is word processor, because our system software have three types only: programming software, utility software and operating system. Next is MS Word is an example of. So the answer is application software, because MS Word is an example of general purpose software, and general purpose software is a category of application software. So the answer is application software. The next question is it is not a programming software. We know that in a programming software we are having three types: interpreter, compiler and assembler. So the answer is spreadsheet. Next is it is an operating system. Okay, so the options are MS Word, MS Excel, MS Windows. None of these. No one are the example of an operating system. So the answer is none of these. First part completed. Now the second question is write true and false for the statements. So first one is data compression program is used to compress large sized file into a smaller size file. That is true, because data compression is used to convert a large file into small modules. So the first one is true. B is true false, and the first one is true. Next is a computer system is made up of number of software devices. As we know that a computer is not a single part of software devices, it is a collection of software and hardware devices. So it is a wrong statement and we have to correct the false statements also. So it is second is false, and the correct statement is a computer system is made up of number of software and hardware devices. The third one is virus scanner is used to scan only folders for virus. It is a utility software and it is used to scan the virus and then we can remove it with the help of antivirus software. So it not only scans the folder, it also scans the file. So it is a false statement, and the correct statement is virus scanner is used to scan file folders for virus. Okay. The fourth one is DBMS is a utility software. It is also a false statement. Why? Because DBMS is a database software. In this software we collect the huge amount of data inside it. Okay. So the fourth one is also false, and the correct one is DBMS is a database software. Okay. Now the C part is fill in the blanks using the words given below. Okay. The C part is fill ups. Options are there. The part of a computer. It manages all the computer resources. So the answer will be operating system. OS stands for operating system. Third is CAD is an example of. CAD is a computer aided design. It is a software and it is a graphic software mainly. And graphic software is a part of application software. So the answer is application software. The fourth is it organizes fragments of files into continuous blocks. Okay, means if we are having some fragments of files, then we are collecting them in a series way, in a serial way, in a continuous way. So the answer will be disk defragmenter. C part finished. Now the D part is matchups. Okay. The first one is writer. Okay. The first one is writer. Writer is a software and it is used like a word processor for the writing purpose. So we have to match it with the word processor. Write the answer in front. In matchups, how you have to do these in notebook, you have to write the answer in front of the question and you have to drag a line in between. Okay. The second one is Lotus 1, 2, 3. Lotus 1, 2, 3 is a kind of spreadsheet software. Means the software that we are using for the calculation purpose is known as spreadsheet software. So we have to match it with spreadsheet. The next one is base. Okay, base is a part of database. Okay, so we have to match this base with DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System software. Okay, the next one is draw. Okay, he explained to you before that the CAD software are of two types. In one in which we are only doing the drawing. So the draw is related to graphics software. So we have to match it with graphics software. Okay. The next one is Photoshop. Okay. Photoshop we have to match with DTP software. Desktop Publishing Software. Okay. So Photoshop and DTP SW means software. Okay. Now we are going to do the question answers. So the first one is short answer type questions. Is short answer type questions. Okay. The first one is what is a computer? Means define a computer. In this answer we have to write the definition of a computer, and we know that a computer is an electronic device and it is a collection of hardware and software devices that are linked together for a common piece of information. So same answer we have to write in it. A computer is an electronic device that includes hardware and software components designed to provide an effective tool for computation. Computation means to find any answer. Okay, hardware, software, the one that we are able to see and touch are known as hardware, and the software are the devices that we are not able to touch, only we can see. Hardware examples are printer, scanner, CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and software are the examples of all the applications that we are using. Okay, calculator, spreadsheet, MS Word, Excel, these all are the examples of software and hardware. Okay, so this answer you have to write in the first question. Okay, the second one is, what is an operating system? Operating system, we know that it is the most important part of a computer. Without operating system, a computer is useless. I taught also, because like in a phone, if we are not having any kind of operating system, Android system, so our smartphone will not work. In the same way, in a computer, an operating system is the most important part. Without this operating system, our computer will not work. It is useless. Okay, it requires hardware and software both. Without hardware, software are useless, and without software, hardware are useless. Okay, so the answer is, operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages computer's memory, process data, and controls all its hardware and software. All the activities are regulated and controlled by the operating system. It manages all the computer resources, and it serves as an interface between user and hardware. Interface means it is acts as a link between user and hardware. How we are able to interact with computer? So we need a user to do interaction, and we need the hardware devices so that we can give the instructions, and according to instructions a computer works. Okay, if we are not giving numbers for additions, how it will give us the result? So hardware we also need, and who is giving the instructions? So a user we need. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 2. Okay, examples of operating systems are Microsoft Windows. Okay, Microsoft, in short we can say MS Windows, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. These all are the examples of an operating system. Next one is, what do you mean by multimedia software? Multi means many. Media means we are having audio and video. Audio video is a collection of media. Okay, so multimedia means if we are having text also, we are having video also, we are having audio also, we are having graphics also. So the overall collection resides in multimedia software. You can say that multimedia softwares are used to combine text with graphics, videos and sounds. Okay, so this is about the multimedia software. The examples are Picasa, Window, Movie Maker. Okay, so this answer you have to write in third question. The next question is, what is an application software? Okay, so we know that a software are of basically two types. First is system software and second is application software. Application software are also categorized into two categories. They are general purpose software and customized software. Customized softwares are known as tailor-made software. Why? Because they are according to the user's demand. The demand that the users applies, according to that they prepare the software. Okay, and the general purpose softwares are they are word processor, spreadsheet, database software, DTP software, multimedia software, drawing software. So they are the general purpose software. So answer we have to write that application software is a program designed to help users to perform specific tasks. Next you will write, they are classified into two categories. The first one is general purpose software. Examples are word processor, spreadsheet, database, evaluate the result for the exam purpose only. So these admission software, it requires only the details of the students. So these are the customized software and they are also known as tailor-made software. These answers and exercise you have to do in the notebook, okay, in a beautiful handwriting by using blue and black pen, okay.